Oh, no, thank you. Don't. Classy.
Classy.
You can talk.
Talk.
What is your name?
Name?
Yes. Name. What is your name?
Oh.
Jane. My name is Jane.
My name. Jane.
No. My name is Jane. What is your name?
Tarzan.
Tarzan.
Tarzan. Jane. Me, Tarzan. You, Jane.
Yes.
Me, Tarzan. You, Jane. 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 Jane.
Wow.
She was just a girl. She expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep.
Jane, eat.
Yes, sir. Whoever you are, whatever riddle's buried inside you, Tarzan, I feel like I've always known you. Do you have a name?
Rafiki. Watch over Tarzan when Tarzan sleeps.
For me? It's beautiful. Wow. My father has one just like it. Where did you find this?
Smith, may I have the coordinates, please?
It should be right here, sir.
Jane?
Oh my god, it's Jane!
Greystoke? No, that's impossible.
What did you say?
It is Jane. Some giant ape hazard.
No, don't shoot!
You might say Jane!
Come on! No, don't shoot!
On the run from Clayton, they entered a strange world never before seen by man. A world which had been under the influence of the meteor's mysterious energy for millions of years.
Thanks.